Unraveling Idioms. Understanding prickly pal. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Idioms are expressions that don't mean exactly what the words say, but they paint a picture that conveys a certain feeling or idea. We'll be exploring the phrase, prickly pal, and what it tells us about relationships and character traits. Let's get started. The term, prickly, usually describes something with sharp points, like a cactus. When we talk about a prickly person, we mean someone who is irritable and easily annoyed. Meanwhile, pal is a friendly term for a friend or companion. So, a prickly pal is a friend who might be a bit difficult to get along with or approachable because they are often in a bad mood or overly sensitive. Let's look at some examples of how you might hear prickly pal in conversation. I like hanging out with Jake, but he can be a prickly pal when he's stressed out. You need to be patient with Nadia. She's been a prickly pal ever since she started her new job. Dealing with a prickly pal can be challenging, but here are some tips. Be patient and give them space when they seem upset. Communicate openly, asking if there's something bothering them. Don't take it personally. Their moodiness is more about them than you. Idioms like prickly pal add color to our language and help us describe complex ideas in a few words. We hope this video has shed some light on this prickly phrase and that you can navigate your friendships with a little more insight. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.